Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually turn off your iPhone if you're having problems with the screen. So what you want to do is press the volume up, down, and then the power button. When the phone is restarting then, you want to hold down the volume down and then the power button. So let's do that now. So volume up, down, hold down the power button, and you'll see this screen where it says slide to power off. Just continue to hold down the power button, and your phone will restart. Now, when it goes black here, hold down the volume down and the power button, and you're going to see the Apple logo pop open on the screen. Just continue to hold down these two buttons and wait until it goes away, and then you can let go, and this will keep the phone turned off. So it went away. Now my phone should be completely off. It's not going to just restart, and I can go ahead and store it, or I can turn it back on now. So let's press the power button and turn it back on, and there's the Apple logo. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.